Originally, I grew up in a Christian home, and we used to go to the Anglican church. I went to church because of tradition, which did not mean much to me. After school and university, I fell in love with a lovely Muslim lady. I became interested in Islam and soon converted to this religion. After 5 years of knowing this lady, we married. I then started to study Islam more, and got to know much about the rituals and lifestyle. I was happy to be a Muslim. If you look into the world, you see Muslim people being very close to each other, performing the rituals together. Then we got a son, and we were a happy family. When I was about 17 years married, I started to have questions concerning my faith. I used to do ritual prayers all the years and heard many Islamic talks, mainly in Arabic. Since I did not understand this language, I was primarily ignorant of its meaning. My wife's Muslim family was relatively liberal. They were not serious about following the Prophet Muhammad's rituals and lifestyle. They were not interested when I wanted to discuss religious matters with them. This became more and more frustrating for me. Because of problems in my marriage, I got divorced. Despite the bad relationship I had with Muslims, I still continued to follow the way of Islam. But I became increasingly confused. What religion should I now turn? Islam or Christianity? One day my son challenged me to decide which religion I should choose. But I hesitated, and my son went to church from that time. I brought my son to church each Sunday but did not attend the sermon and went home again. Then one Sunday, I decided to stay with my son at the church. I remember that day well. God was waiting for me, and I felt at home. It was a wonderful experience, and I found real peace. I realized that Christianity was the better option for me, and I started reading the Bible daily. God also helped me to lose my bitterness against my Muslim relatives. I went to them and told them that I had no grudge against them and that I found peace in God. Now I am a genuine follower of Jesus and am so glad to have reconverted to Christianity. Since I have first been a nominal Christian, then a Muslim, and now I am a born-again Christian, I know the difference between these two religions. According to my experience, 90% of all Muslims do not understand what they are saying. Islam's language is Arabic, a language many Muslims worldwide do not know. They repeat prayers like puppets, but mostly it has no meaning to them personally. Muslims have told me that the prayer must be in Arabic since it is the holy language of Islam, and Allah speaks only in Arabic. In Christianity, it is different. You can read the Bible in your own language. You can speak to God in your native language. Christians know that God is all-knowing and understands all tongues and languages. I am so happy to know Jesus and find peace in God. I attend church with my son each Sunday and experience warm fellowship with other Christians. I also joined a Bible study group where I learn more about God and how I can be a faithful follower of Jesus in my daily walk.